It is almost impossible to imagine tomorrow's working world without some kind of interaction between humans and robots. In this man-machine collaboration, each contributes their own particular skills. Humans score top marks for methodology, intuition, flexibility, the ability to make decisions, and their problem-solving approach. Machines for their high accuracy of repetitions, power and precision, though also for more documentation. Both together not only increase efficiency in production, but also ensure an additional leap in quality. However, an increase in efficiency and improved quality can only be realized if corresponding safety standards are taken into account. This relates to both the functional safety as well as information security. TÜV Austria assists companies in implementing collaborative work systems. From the concept phase through trial runs with prototypes, right down to commissioning in everyday work. This includes verifying the general safety concept just as much as a check of whether the robot is in fact designed for fail-safe operation. The workspace that is identified by the robot has to be clearly delineated, even without actual physical barriers. What's more, an upper limit for monitored parameters has to be defined. For example, force, energy, or speed.
When using collaborative robot systems, human safety is of the utmost importance, namely the safety of those operating it. We decided to cooperate with TÜV Austria in this regard to ensure that all statutory requirements are observed and that the customer has this assurance as well.
In projects like this one in particular, where we are a bit like pioneers for the industry, with collaborative robots of this size, we simply feel better as mechanical engineers if we have a partner who interprets the standards correctly, but still deals with the matter with enough common sense.